guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing not one but two tutorials using the new Norvina Volume 1 palette. This palette will be on sale online August 26th. I received this PR package on Friday, and you guys, do you see this palette? So beautiful in person, and it's different. They added letters and numbers instead of, like, you know, words, but that's fine. I also included some swatches. I know swatches don't really matter too much, but I felt like I should still include them. They also send me their new liquid lipsticks, and they are not the same shades. Like you could see, they're really beautiful. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by priming my lid using the ABH eye primer. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick up the shade D4. It's a royal blue shade. It is so beautiful, you guys. And I know on the palette it looks like it has glitter, but as you can see, there's no glitter on my lid. I wanted to go for a spotlight halo eye, and you guys, you could actually build up these shades to the way you want it to be, which is a good thing because you don't want something that's too crazy. And I'm also going to pick up another Morphe brush. This is clean, and I'm going to use this to blend the shade. And I'm also going to go ahead and grab a Q-tip to clean the center. Then I'm going to go add some more primer, and I'm going to add the shade C2. As you guys can see, there is a bit of a fallout, but that's okay. I'm also going to be blending in the blue shade. There's no extra product on this. I'm also going to be using some lashes from Amazon. I'll link them down below. These are so pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the lash line with the same shade D4, and I'm also going to be blending it in with the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to be adding the So Hollywood loose highlighter. I love their loose highlighters, you guys. It's so beautiful. And I'm also going to add that on the inner corner and on my brow bone. I'm also going to be adding some mascara to my bottom lashes, and that is it for look number 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's go to the next look. On to the next look. I wanted to do more of a glam look for you guys. I'm going to be adding some ABH eye primer, and then I'm going to be picking up the shade C5 from the palette. I'm going to be packing on that shade onto my lid. I like to pack on the shades instead of like blending right away, just because I want to build it up to the way I want it. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to pick up that shade E3, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that other shade with it. Remember guys, blending is key, so take your time with it. I'm also going to be picking up the shade D5. You guys, I was scared. I hate black shadows just because I feel like I always mess it up, but I felt like it gave the eye more depth, if that makes sense. As you can see right there, so beautiful. I'm also going to pick up some more of the C5 shade just to blend that in. And here I'm showing you guys that there's no fallout so far, which is cool. I'm also going to be picking up a Q-tip to clean up before I cut the crease, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia 827. After I'm done cutting the crease, I go in with the shades C5 and D5 just to deepen the outer corner. Now I'm going to be using the shade C3, and I'm just going to add a little bit on the outer corner. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade C1 to put all over the lid, and do you see that? One of the best eyeshadows, white eyeshadows ever. Adding some Lily lashes in Mykonos. Love these lashes. I'm going to be adding the shade C5 for my bottom line, my lash line, whatever. I'm also going to be picking up the shade E3 just to blend that in. Pick up the Vegas loose highlighter for the inner corner and the brow bone highlight. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial or tutorials, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.